HPE Spares is the preferred channel for sourcing for maintenance companies, for repairs, as well as upgrades to your current systems. So when products go end of life and they're obsolete through your normal channels, that would be the time to engage with your authorized HPE Spares distributor like V3.
We actually have about $3 million in HP products sitting back on our shelves. We here at V3, we like to take advantage of the market. When the market is down, we buy, and we buy a lot. And what that does is that allows us to, one, have parts available and on the shelf, and two, allows us to pass that cost savings on to the customer.
HPE Spares come in a manufacturer sealed HPE box, very similar to what you'd see in any other retail box with the HP hologram. The only difference is going to be that these are going to have the spare part number on it.
HPE's warranty for genuine replacement certified parts comes with a 12-month warranty. That covers against all manufacturer defects and ensures a high quality of standard for your environment.
Some of the advantages of leveraging V3 with our authorization versus buying from HP Direct are going to be cost and availability. We have contractual discounts that we're able to pass along to our customers, in turn saving them time and money. We take a distribution approach similar to any other distributors where we're going to have real-time inventory and be able to ship it out with little to no lead time.
So being HPE's Replacement Parts Partner of the Year means a lot on a multitude of fronts. I think it shows validity to what it is we're doing over here. I think it also shows that we've assembled a great team.
The combination of our hard work, preparation, and forecasting made for a successful year, and it was a great honor to be awarded the HPE Replacement Business Partner of the Year.
Thanks for taking some time to learn a little bit more about the HPE Replacement Parts Program and the V3 team. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to myself or anybody else on the HPE team.